Yeah, good morning team. Welcome to my channel. Today we will going to learn about strings. What exactly strings in Java? So string basically, if anyone asks you, then string is a class, not a data type. One thing. Again, there are different ways to declare a string. First one is it is using literal. So for example, let me show you string s is equals to string s is equals to, if I want to declare any string using literal, then I have to write like this: hello world. Okay, this is the one thing. So using literal, okay, defining the string using literal. And then second one is using new keyword. So whenever we whenever we create a string using literal, that time this object is get stored in string pool. Okay, and whenever we create the string using new keyword, that time the object gets stored in that object gets stored in heap memory. Okay, so let me string s is equals to, this is the second way of declaring the string. Okay, string s is equals to new string. Here also the same, hello world. Okay, these are the two things. Yeah, and okay, let me just close this and we will see the different string methods. What are the different string methods are there? So here I already created the one class. So already created a class, so let me create a main method here, public static void main. Okay, string function of arg is argument, and here I'm opening the square bracket. So yeah, so one thing, like this is the access specifier here. Okay, static, it is a keyword in Java. Void, what is void here? Void is a return type. Okay, so in string or while creating the any method, there are different return types. Okay, one is void. Okay, here another is, instead of void we can write public static integer and particular method name, that is another. Okay, so before that let me go on this also. What are the return types of methods, different methods in Java? One is void, another one is integer, then double. Okay, sorry if it is going wrong. Integer double, then it's boolean. Boolean will return true or false. Okay, and yeah, and there is one another, that is custom class also. So in void everything is like integer will return integer value, double will return double value returns. Okay, boolean will return true or false. But in void what will happen, if void does not return any value, that is the one thing. Okay, let me just wipe it off. Let me show you where we are on the string methods. So first method is, for example, let me define one string here and then we'll perform different operations here. String s is equals to hello world. So guys, how I have defined this string? By using literal. Okay, I want to perform few operations, and for that I'm using different methods here. Okay, for example, I want the character which is present at index 3. Okay, so the thing is, here string s is hello world, h it is at 0th index, 1, e is at 1 index, l is 2 index, and this l is at 3rd index. Okay, so I want the value at 3rd index. How will I write? See, there is one method for that. system dot out dot println. Okay, this is s dot. S is the object of the string. Character at. I want the character at what index? Third index. So it will print. Okay, it will print the character at third index, which is 3 here. Okay, so this is one method. The second method, for example, I want the substring, for example, substring which is starting from third index till the sixth index, something like that. So how will you write that? For that there is another method, system.out.println. Okay, so see, s dot, see there are multiple method here. What I have to do, like we want a string from specific index to specific index, so from starting index till ending index, ending not. Okay, so substring, yeah. So what I'll do, here I want a string from third index till and it will be like seventh index. I want comma 7. So it will give me the give me that value between third to seventh index. See, okay, 0 1 2 3, it will start from L. 4, this is 5 6 7 till, okay, I think there is 2 spaces here. Let me count once again. 0 1 2 3, this is 3 4 5 6 7, there are 2 spaces again, that's why. Okay, it will, oh sorry, it will give ending 7th, it means n minus 1. Okay, so that's why it gives us the value which is w here. Ending index, it means not the completed, what are the indexes given, it is n minus 1 it will give. Okay, so then I use another is for example, I want the value at, okay, here this time what we will do, I'll need some index of particular for example O. For this character I want the index of it. How will I write that? System.out.println, I want the index of O. For that there is a method s.index, index of which character? 0 character. Okay, like O character. Let me print that. It should print. Okay, it's giving me package system does not exist. Let me write like this, system println. Okay, printing mistake, cannot find hello world. Okay, there is O, index of O. Okay, this is character, you have to written in double quote. Now it will execute. Yeah, see, O is at 4th index, that's why it gives us the value as index as 4. Okay, then again there is another method. For example, I want okay, from 5th index, or like, yeah, from 5th index I want a complete string, like 0 1 2 3 4 5, space is at 5th index, and after that I want a string. someone asks you, then how will I write the method for that? There is one method, string method for that. System.out.println. Okay, so it will be like s dot substring, and I want beginning index. I want to print the value from the beginning index as 5. This is number, you don't need to write double quote here. Let me print this. So after 5 it is returning the world. Okay, yeah, these are the methods. And if there is another things like, yeah, the last one, let me show you another one. For example, I want to concatenate this string with another particular string. How will I do that to concatenate? For example, I want hello world Neha. I want like this. How will I do that? System.out.println. First, what I'll do, I'll just concat. I'll concat this string first. Okay. So s, this string s, I am concatenating with Neha. Okay. So it should print like hello world Neha. Let me see that how it is printing. See, it is printing hello world Neha. So we are just concatenating the new string with the existing string with the help of concat method. Okay, there is another, like if you want to check the length of the string, then we have a length method here. System.out.println. s.length method. It will give us the length of that particular string. It will be like, this is 5, 5, 10 and 1, there is one space, that's why it is giving us 11. This is the length of the string. Okay, and again there is one, like if we want to remove these white spaces between the string, then also we have one method. It will remove all the white spaces. Okay, println. Okay, s.trim function. It will trim all the white spaces and it will give a string without any spaces to us. Okay, 1 minute. s.string function, right? Let me give you, okay, let me check one. String s is equals to s2. I'll give s2, and here I'll write like this, and I want s2 dot trim. Yes, see, so it removes that white spaces here, right, and it will give you without any white spaces, the result without any white spaces. So that's all guys about string. Okay, strings methods, and the data type which we return type which we use in the method, and the declaration of the string. Okay, thank you so much.